Hi guys, to change the battery with the BMW G650GS you'll need a star tool, and then you'll need to start removing all your fairings to first get access to the battery. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a socket depending on what you have to remove the two terminals. Ideally start with the positive terminal first, as this will take away any chance of zapping yourself with the battery. Your replacement battery should be a FB12ALA2. This will ensure that the terminals are on the right side. You should find that your battery supplier has included the bolts to tighten back up to terminal. Place battery back in the hole with positive at positive terminal and negative at negative terminal. Thread the bolt through the hole and through any holes of any other electronics that you are running through this battery, and then you just have to snip it up and tighten it to the end bolt using a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm attaching the negative terminal first, as there's no current currently running through the bike as long as the positive is not attached. Remove the protective cover and then attach the terminal and the wires together on the positive side. Identifiable by a plus on the battery and a red color. Make sure both sides are tight and won't vibrate loose upon use. Battery is now in. The next step is just to take your key out, check that everything comes on, turn your lights on first, your dashboard, everything lights up and display works. Our next step is we're going to turn the key and we're going to start the vehicle. And we've reached our final step, which is to reassemble everything. So just put your fairings back on, neaten up any wires you don't want to expose, just tuck them under your cowlings. You can even tape them out of the way if you have the right electrician's tape. Hopefully this helped you to install your battery. This works for the 2010 and below model BMW G650GS, the DSF650, and the Cerato and the Dakar, and I imagine the principle is pretty much similar for any other motorcycle, although your battery terminals and your connections and fairings will be in different places and you will require a different model battery. Hopefully this helped, guys. If you can help me out with a like and a subscribe, that will be awesome. See you next time.